Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discuss with you, Apeborn NextGen Muscle Stimulator EMS Toning Belt Review. So, you might be wondering, what is the Apeborn NextGen Muscle Stimulator that you may be seeing or hearing online? So, Apeborn here, or Apeborn NextGen Muscle Stimulator, is a wearable neuromuscular electrical stimulation, or NMES device designed to stimulate muscles or muscle contractions using electrical impulses. Now, according to the visual website here, it is intended to help tone, strengthen, and condition muscles by sending controlled electrical pulses through the wearable belt placed over the targeted muscle group. Now, the systems includes an abdominal stimulator, two arm stimulators, built-in electrodes, 12 training modes, and 19 intensity levels. Now, the manufacturer here states that the device is FDA cleared as a Class 2 medical device and does not require disposable gel pads or replacement electrodes. Now, according to Apeborn here, the device works by using NMES technology, which sends electrical impulses into the muscles, causing them to contract and relax in a pattern similar to voluntary exercise. Now, the company says that each 20-minute session produces more than 600 muscle contractions, which it compares to performing thousands of abdominal crunches. Now, the simulation is designed to activate deep muscle fibers while allowing the user to remain seated or continue normal activities during the session. Now, using Apeborn NextGen Muscle Stimulator is quite straightforward here. You want to begin by charging the device with the included USB cable. Place the abdominal belt securely around your midsection so the built-in electrodes make direct contact with clean, dry skin. Now, if you're using the arm stimulators, position them around the target muscle according to the user guide. And basically, from then on, turn on the control module. Choose one of the 12 training modes here, adjust intensity from the 19 available levels, and begin the session. According to the manufacturer here, each workout lasts around 20 minutes, and after which the device automatically completes the cycle. Now, official website here states that the package includes a NextGen Ultra Abs Stimulator, two NextGen Ultra Arm Stimulators, and a quick start guide here, and a charging cable. Now, promotional offers also include additional items such as 8-week training challenge and conductivity spray and a trial membership to the company's coaching platform. The device is currently listed at around $149.99, discounted from the original $289.99, and is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty. Now, prices and promotions may change over time here, so you may need to check their website for this one. But yeah, so they do have different packages here, so you can check that if you are interested. And that's essentially what the Apeborn NextGen Muscle Stimulator is. Now, if you're interested with this product here, you may want to do a bit of more research about it, like maybe reading reviews outside of their website, or even consulting a doctor here, just in case, if you have or if you're feeling any pain in certain muscle group here, just to be on the safe side. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.